Two major cashback cards, Blue Cash Everyday and Citi Custom Cash, both promise top-notch rewards. Which one really delivers? On the left, the Everyday Essentials Expert, Blue Cash Everyday. On the right, the Ultimate Customizable Card, Citi Custom Cash. Let's skip the buzzwords and break down the real perks that matter. Each category earns points. By the end, you'll know exactly which card comes out ahead. The result might surprise you. Let's lay out the game plan. Here's a mind map of everything that's about to go down. First, we're talking cashback structure. Then, we'll hit up annual fees and foreign fees, welcome bonus, intro APR, redemption and extras, and finally, other features and app. See? All the stuff that actually matters when choosing a card in 2025. All right, let's kick it off with cashback structure, because, that's what we're all here for. So, with Blue Cash Everyday, you're looking at 3% back at US supermarkets, US online retail, and US gas stations. And yes, there are caps. $6,000 per year per category, then it drops to 1%. Anything else? Straight 1%. It's honestly kind of nice if your spending is predictable. But you know what? If you're a heavy spender, those caps can sneak up on you quick. Oh, and this bad boy is not for your European summer. Kinda best for US stuff. Now, Citi Custom Cash, this one's sneaky smart. You get 5% cash back on one eligible category each month, up to $500. After that, everything's 1%. The cool part is it adapts, so you get the best reward wherever you naturally spend the most. But, and I gotta be real, that $500 cap means you're not going wild with big purchases. Winner here, Blue Cash Everyday grabs it. Those predictable 3% categories stack up nicely year-round for most folks. Let's move to annual fees and foreign transaction fees. Blue Cash Everyday, absolutely zero annual fee and a slightly lower foreign transaction fee at 2.7%. But yeah, you still get hit with something if you swipe outside the US. Citi Custom Cash? Still no annual fee, but the foreign fee nudges up a bit. 3%. Not a deal breaker unless you're planning to live internationally off your swipe, This one's honestly a tie. Both give you $0 annual fee freedom, and the foreign fees are pretty comparable unless you're constantly traveling. Now, welcome bonus. So, Blue Cash Everyday gives you a $200 statement credit. Solid, right? But wait, you gotta spend $2,000 in your first 6 months to snag it. Not bad if you're already swiping for groceries and gas, but that's a little more work than you might think. With Citi Custom Cash, you get the same $200, but only need to spend $1,500 in 6 months. Way easier, honestly, and makes this card a little more beginner-friendly for the sign-up. Sees winner here? Citi Custom Cash, hands down. Less spend for the same reward. Oh, and here's something cool for the Citi Custom Cash. Did you know you get 5% back automatically on your top spending category every month? No complicated enrollments or tracking, it just figures it out. Pretty smart, right? Intro APRs. Let's get into it. Both cards are actually pretty generous. 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. After that, rates go up. Amex bumps to 19.99 to 28.99%. Citi settles at 18.24 to 28.24%. Honestly, if you need a breather from interest, either one works. So, yeah. This is a tie. Redemption and extras. Okay, this is where stuff gets interesting. Amex gives you simple, straight-up statement credits, plus a couple lifestyle perks. You get $180 annually for Home Chef, that's $15 every month if you enroll, and $84 a year for Disney Bundle. Pretty sweet if you actually use those, yeah? Downsides? No flexible points, and you're locked into statement credits. Citi Custom Cash? So flexible. You can redeem your cash back for statement credit, direct deposit, checks, gift cards, travel, even Amazon shopping. Oh, and for a limited time, you get 4% back on travel bookings, but only via their portal, so it's kind of more of a promo than an everyday perk. Not really any lifestyle credits, though. Just cold, hard rewards. The winner in this category is Blue Cash Everyday. Those extras just push it a notch higher if you're into home meals and streaming. Last up, other features and app. Amex's app is slick, pretty highly rated, and you get Amex offers, those random discounts that always make you feel like you're winning. Plus, free FICO score access. Citi's app? Reliable, straightforward, and you get bonus offers at select merchants, plus free FICO score too. Not much between them in this scene, honestly. Both do the job, so yeah, another tie here. Let's pop up a radar chart comparing how both cards do across all these categories. You'll notice Blue Cash Everyday has a clear edge in cashback predictability and lifestyle extras, while Citi Custom Cash leads with flexibility and a lower welcome bonus requirement. So here's my honest take. Go Blue Cash Everyday if you want steady, predictable rewards across the stuff you buy most: groceries, gas, and online retail. If you only max out one category per month and you want to flex your rewards toward travel or gift cards, Custom Cash is super handy, especially with that easier welcome bonus. For 2025, both give you a lot for zero annual fee, so you kinda can't lose. That's a wrap. Like these card matchups? Hit follow for more and never miss another credit card showdown. Save your cash, rack up those rewards, and see ya in the next comparison.